Maintaining vitality, energy, and performance as we age is a common goal, and for men over 60, nutrition plays an even more crucial role. This isn't just about feeling good, but about supporting your body and mind to continue enjoying life to the fullest. While a balanced diet is always the cornerstone of good health, certain vitamins become particularly important as the body undergoes age-related changes that can affect nutrient absorption and metabolism. This comprehensive guide will delve into 3 essential vitamin groups that are paramount for men over 60. We'll explore why they're so vital, the specific roles they play in maintaining energy, supporting physical and cognitive performance, and counteracting age-related decline. We'll also provide detailed information on their best food sources and discuss when supplementation might be beneficial, keeping in mind that personalized advice from a healthcare professional is always recommended. Get ready to discover how focusing on these key nutrients can empower you to continue living a vibrant and active life. 1. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, the energy and nerve powerhouse. Vitamin B12 is often celebrated for its role in energy production, and its importance truly escalates for men over 60. While vital at any age, the aging process itself can create challenges in absorbing this crucial nutrient. Why is B12 so critical for men over 60? As we age, a common condition called atrophic gastritis can develop. This involves a decrease in the stomach's production of hydrochloric acid, which is essential for releasing B12 from food proteins. Without sufficient stomach acid, even if you're consuming plenty of B12-rich foods, your body may not be able to absorb it effectively. This reduced absorption can lead to a deficiency, manifesting in a range of symptoms that directly impact energy, performance, and vitality. Fatigue and weakness. One of the most common and debilitating symptoms of B12 deficiency is persistent fatigue and a feeling of general weakness. This is because B12 is directly involved in converting food into usable energy and in the formation of healthy red blood cells that carry oxygen throughout your body. Without adequate oxygen, your cells simply can't produce enough energy. Nerve damage and neurological issues. B12 is absolutely critical for the health of your nervous system. It plays a vital role in maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerve fibers that allows for rapid and efficient nerve signal transmission. A deficiency can lead to nerve damage, resulting in symptoms like numbness, tingling, neuropathy, balance problems, and even difficulty with coordination. These neurological issues can significantly impact mobility and physical performance. Memory problems and cognitive decline. B12 is also a key player in cognitive function. Deficiencies have been linked to memory problems, confusion, and even a form of anemia called pernicious anemia, which can mimic symptoms of dementia. Maintaining optimal B12 levels is crucial for sharp cognitive performance and mental clarity. Mood disturbances. Some research suggests a link between low B12 levels and mood changes, including irritability and depressive symptoms. The multifaceted roles of B12. Let's break down the specific ways B12 supports your vitality. Energy production. Imagine your body as a car. B12 acts like a spark plug, igniting the metabolic processes that convert the carbohydrates and fats you consume into adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of your cells. Without this spark, your energy levels will dwindle. Red blood cell formation. B12 is indispensable for the production of healthy, oxygen-carrying red blood cells in your bone marrow. These cells are like tiny delivery trucks, transporting vital oxygen to every tissue and organ in your body, including your muscles and brain. If you have a B12 deficiency, you can develop megaloblastic anemia, where red blood cells are abnormally large and inefficient at carrying oxygen, leading to profound fatigue. Neurological function. Beyond myelin sheath maintenance, B12 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow your brain cells to communicate effectively. This intricate role impacts everything from your mood and memory to your ability to move and respond to stimuli. Prime food sources of vitamin B12. Since B12 is primarily found in animal products, vegetarians and vegans are at higher risk of deficiency. Animal products, primary and most bioavailable sources. Meat, beef, lamb, pork, and chicken are excellent sources. A serving of beef liver, in particular, is packed with B12. Fish, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are fantastic. Even leaner fish like cod can provide a good amount. Dairy, milk, yogurt, and cheese all contribute to B12 intake. Eggs, a good source, especially the yolk. Fortified foods, especially important for non-meat eaters. Fortified breakfast cereals, many popular cereals are fortified with B12. Always check the nutrition label. Fortified plant-based milks, almond, soy, and oat milks are often fortified to provide essential nutrients, including B12. Nutritional yeast, this inactive yeast has a cheesy, nutty flavor and is a popular B12 source for vegans. It's often used as a topping for pasta, popcorn, or roasted vegetables. When to consider B12 supplementation. Given the absorption challenges in older age, many men over 60 may benefit significantly from B12 supplements. This is especially true if you follow a plant-based diet or have conditions that impair nutrient absorption. Supplements are often available in two forms. Methylcobalamin, this is the naturally occurring form of B12 and is considered highly bioavailable. Cyanocobalamin, a synthetic form of B12 that is also effective and widely used. Regular blood tests are crucial to determine your B12 levels and whether supplementation is needed. Your doctor can recommend the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs. Don't wait until symptoms appear. Proactive testing can help maintain your energy and cognitive function. 2. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, for muscles, bones, and mood. Often dubbed the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D's importance for men over 60 extends far beyond its well-known role in bone health. It's a crucial player in muscle function, immune health, and even has significant implications for cognitive function and mood, all of which are vital for maintaining overall vitality and performance. Why is vitamin D especially important for older men? As we age, our skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D from sunlight significantly decreases. This, coupled with often reduced sun exposure, due to lifestyle, indoor living, or fear of skin damage, means that dietary intake alone is rarely sufficient to meet the body's needs. This makes older adults particularly susceptible to vitamin D deficiency. The expansive roles of vitamin D. Muscle strength and function. This is a truly underestimated aspect of vitamin D. Adequate vitamin D levels are directly linked to better muscle strength, improved balance, and a significantly reduced risk of falls in older adults. Falls can have devastating consequences, leading to fractures, reduced mobility, and a loss of independence. By supporting healthy muscle function, vitamin D directly impacts your ability to perform daily activities, engage in physical exercise, and maintain an active lifestyle. Think of it as supporting your body's engine for movement and power. Immune system support. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in modulating the immune system. It helps regulate immune responses, potentially reducing the risk of infections, including respiratory infections, and supporting a healthy inflammatory response. A robust immune system is key to staying healthy and active, especially as the immune system can become less efficient with age. Bone health, the classic role. This is where vitamin D truly shines. It is absolutely essential for the absorption of calcium from the gut into the bloodstream and for the subsequent mineralization of bones. Without sufficient vitamin D, calcium cannot be properly utilized, leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of osteoporosis. While often associated with women, osteoporosis is a significant concern for aging men as well, leading to debilitating fractures. Energy and mood regulation. Low vitamin D levels are frequently associated with pervasive fatigue, muscle weakness, and depressive symptoms. Research continues to explore the exact mechanisms, but vitamin D receptors are found in areas of the brain involved in mood regulation. Correcting a deficiency can often lead to improvements in energy levels and overall well-being. This direct impact on mood and energy is central to maintaining vitality. Key food sources of vitamin D. While sunlight is the primary source, dietary intake is crucial, especially for older adults. Fatty fish, excellent sources. Salmon, wild-caught salmon is particularly rich in vitamin D. Mackerel, another oily fish that provides a significant amount. Tuna, canned tuna, especially light tuna, can be a good source. Sardines, small, oily fish that pack a punch of vitamin D. Cod liver oil, historically used as a supplement, it's an incredibly potent source of vitamin D. Fortified foods, widely available and beneficial. Fortified milk, both dairy milk and many plant-based milks, almond, soy, oat milk, are fortified with vitamin D. Fortified cereals, many breakfast cereals have added vitamin D. Some yogurts and orange juices, check the labels for fortification. Other sources, smaller amounts. Egg yolks, the vitamin D content can vary depending on the chicken's diet and sun exposure. Some mushrooms, certain mushrooms, especially those that have been exposed to UV light, can contain vitamin D too. The importance of vitamin D supplementation. Due to the decreased ability of the skin to synthesize vitamin D and often insufficient dietary intake, most men over 60 will require vitamin D supplementation. The D3, cholecalciferol, form is generally recommended as it's the same form your body produces from sunlight and is more effectively utilized. A healthcare provider can perform a simple blood test to check your vitamin D levels, 25-hydroxyvitamin D, and recommend the appropriate dosage. It's not uncommon for dosages ranging from 1000 IU to 4000 IU or even higher to be prescribed to achieve optimal levels, especially if there's a significant deficiency. Regular monitoring is key to ensure you're maintaining healthy levels without oversupplementing. 3. Vitamin K2, menaquinone, the unsung hero for heart and bone health. While vitamin K1, phylloquinone, is widely known for its essential role in blood clotting, vitamin K2, menaquinone, is a distinct form that is rapidly gaining recognition for its profound importance in cardiovascular health and bone mineralization. Both of these areas are absolutely critical for maintaining performance and vitality in men over 60. Why is K2 so important for aging men? As we age, there's an increased risk of arterial calcification, the hardening of arteries due to calcium deposits. This process contributes significantly to atherosclerosis, heart disease, and reduced blood flow, which can directly impact energy levels, cognitive function, and overall physical performance. At the same time, maintaining bone density becomes more challenging, increasing the risk of fractures. Vitamin K2 acts as a crucial traffic cop for calcium, directing it to where it's needed, bones and teeth, and away from where it can cause harm, arteries and other soft tissues. The remarkable mechanisms of vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 functions by activating specific proteins that play pivotal roles in calcium metabolism. Directing calcium, preventing arterial calcification, this is one of K2's most significant contributions to vitality. Vitamin K2 activates matrix GLA protein, MGP, a potent inhibitor of soft tissue calcification. MGP essentially binds to calcium in the arteries and prevents its deposition, keeping blood vessels flexible and healthy. Impact on energy and performance. Healthy, flexible arteries ensure efficient blood flow throughout the body. This means optimal oxygen and nutrient delivery to your muscles, brain, and other organs. Good circulation is fundamental for sustained energy, sharp cognitive function, and peak physical performance. When arteries harden, blood flow is compromised, leading to fatigue, reduced endurance, and potentially even cognitive issues. Bone density, strengthening your frame. Vitamin K2 also activates osteocalcin, a protein produced by bone-forming cells, osteoblasts. Osteocalcin helps to integrate calcium into the bone matrix, ensuring that calcium is properly utilized to build and maintain strong bones. Impact on active lifestyle. By promoting proper calcium utilization in bones, K2 helps maintain bone density and strength, reducing the risk of debilitating fractures. This is paramount for supporting an active lifestyle, preventing pain, and ensuring you can continue to participate in activities you enjoy, whether it's golfing, walking, or simply maintaining your independence. Beyond arteries and bones, while these are its primary known roles, research is exploring K2's potential benefits in other areas, including brain health, nerve health, and even certain cancers. Where to find vitamin K2, food sources. Vitamin K2 exists in several forms, primarily -4 Malawian kwachas and -7 Malawian kwachas. -7 Malawian kwachas is generally considered more bioavailable and has a longer half-life in the body. Natto, the champion source, a traditional Japanese fermented soybean dish, natto is exceptionally high in -7 Malawian kwachas. While its strong flavor and unique texture are an acquired taste for many Western palates, even small amounts can provide a significant K2 boost. Fermented foods, good sources of various K2 forms. Certain cheeses, aged and fermented cheeses like Gouda, Brie, Edam, and Jarlsberg are good sources of both -4 Malawian kwachas and some -7 Malawian kwachas. The fermentation process contributes to K2 production. Animal products, smaller amounts, primarily -4 Malawian kwachas. Egg yolks, especially from pasture-raised chickens, as their diet and environment can influence the K2 content. Certain types of organ meats, liver, for example, contain some -4 Malawian kwachas. Butter, particularly butter from grass-fed cows, as the cow's diet of vitamin K1 rich grass can be converted to K2 in their bodies. The case for vitamin K2 supplementation. Due to its less common presence in the typical Western diet, especially the highly bioavailable -7 Malawian kwachas form, supplementation with vitamin K2 may be highly beneficial for men over 60. This is particularly relevant for supporting optimal cardiovascular health and bone health, thereby contributing significantly to overall vitality and performance. When considering a supplement, look for one that provides vitamin K2, -7 Malawian kwachas, as this form is more efficiently used by the body. Dosages often range from 90 micrograms to 180 micrograms, but a healthcare professional can advise on the appropriate amount based on your health status and needs. It's important to note that vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin, so it's best absorbed when taken with a meal containing some fat. A crucial note on supplementation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new vitamin supplements, especially for men over 60. This is paramount because medication interactions, vitamins, even those seemingly benign, can interact with prescription medications. For example, vitamin K, both K1 and K2, can interact with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. Pre-existing health conditions. Certain health conditions may necessitate specific vitamin levels or contraindicate certain supplements. Personalized approach. A healthcare provider can offer a personalized approach based on your individual health needs, current dietary intake, and blood tests. They can help identify any deficiencies and recommend the most appropriate and safest supplementation strategy. Conclusion: empowering your aging journey. As men age past 60, embracing a proactive approach to nutrition becomes a powerful tool for maintaining energy, performance, and overall vitality. While a balanced diet rich in whole foods remains the foundation, paying special attention to vitamin B12, vitamin D, and vitamin K2 can provide targeted support to address age-related changes and enhance your quality of life. By understanding the unique roles these vitamins play in your body, from fueling your cells and protecting your nerves, to strengthening your muscles and bones, and safeguarding your cardiovascular system, you can make informed choices to optimize your health. Remember, this isn't about simply adding pills to your routine, but about understanding your body's needs and working in partnership with your healthcare provider to create a personalized strategy that empowers you to continue living a vibrant, active, and fulfilling life for years to come. Your vitality is your most valuable asset. Invest in it wisely.